Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Heartfulness Om, and I'm going to do a product review video today. As you can see here, I have Tresemme used by professionals Smooth and Shine Pro Collection Conditioner. I'm not a professional and this video is not sponsored. I have purchased this product with my own money and its price is rupees 195 and you are getting 190 ml product and its packaging really nice. You just have to press this top button to open or to get the product, and this is not at all messy. Otherwise if you have seen in many products, it gets very messy when you open the product. So there is nothing like that, like it's not a problem. You can easily press the button and use this product, and its fragrance is the best part of this product, which is I think, because its fragrance is really nice and I really love it, and it stays in your hair for a longer time. And if you go for the ingredients, if you'll see the ingredients, then you know its ingredients are not at all natural, but it's not harmful for your hair. As you know that if you have frizzy hair and rough hair, then conditioning is really must for you guys. For everyone, like everyone, even I have very rough hair, I do condition my hair, but I really get irritated and I don't get time, like when you take shower, after that it gets little bit, like, if you know, we get lazy, we don't want to uh, condition our hair just because it takes time. So what you can do is you can use it as a hair spa mixture in your hair spa. So if you want to know how to make hair spa at home, like hair spa mixture, then you can click on the link above here, you can see, then click on this link and watch my video. So use this conditioner in your hair spa mixture if you don't want to, like if you are getting late for, if you're going to your college or job, then you can use it as a hair spa. Otherwise, you, whenever you wash your hair, just apply like what they have mentioned. I will tell you that uh, after washing your hair with this, you also get a Tresemme shampoo. Yeah, evenly distribute conditioner on wet hair, focusing on mid length to tips. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse thoroughly to get salon like smooth hair. So of course you have to wash your hair first, then use this conditioner. So just do it on the alternate days, like you can wash your hair once like 3 days in a week, or if you wash your hair once in a week, if you have very long hair, then it depends on you. Okay, what are the benefits of this conditioner? It leaves your hair very smooth and shiny, and it will not give you instant result. You have to use it for like few times, then you will see the difference, I guess, because if you have very frizzy hair, then you do have to wait for that. So as I was saying, it gives you smooth and shiny hair and silky hair. It gives you silk protein. Like if you have any deficiency in your hair, like which are not fulfilled by other products, then it will give you the protein in your hair, which will make your, like, help in uh, giving your hair that strength which it needs. It has vitamin H in it, and it's, I think, Pro Collection in conditioner for like Tresemme. So yeah, I give this product, I think, 8 marks out of 10. Well, as I think I have told you the price 195, like 200 rupees for, yeah, I think if you see in many houses, like in my house, if I say, I do buy the conditioner and I leave it like that only, and we I like, हम नहीं ख़त्म कर पाते टाइम पे, बिकॉज हम यूज़ ही नहीं करते कंडीशनर. तो दिस इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग, आई थिंक. तो बेटर वे, आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि आप हेयर स्पा में ऐड कर लीजिए इसे, या फिर आप स्पेशल एक डे रखिए कि आप उस दिन अपने हेयर वॉश करेंगे और उसके बाद आप कंडीशनर जरूर लगाएं. 3-4 मिनट्स तो इसे कम से कम रखिए. उससे ज़्यादा तो आई थिंक इस प्रोडक्ट में लिखा नहीं है इन्होंने रखने के लिए, बट आई विल लाइक टेल यू कि आप अपने बालों को देखें पहले, वो कैसी कंडीशन है उनकी, उस तरह से उसे यूज़ करें. सो या, अगर आपको ये प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो डू लेट मी नो इन कमेंट सेक्शन. If you want to follow me on Instagram, then heartfulness_om, then you can follow me there. I will catch you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye.